Typically you see people jerk these kites off the ground, but that's not necessarily the way you do it. Have the kite so that it's standing up like this, and you want to extend yourself a little bit back and then take a step back and bring your arms down to your side all at the same time while the kite goes up, like this. Looks pretty effortless. Now typically you would pull left to turn left, but you can push right to turn left, and it changes the way the kite turns. Pull, turn, push, turn. Flattens the outside, accelerates the kite into the turn a little bit. And it's a combination of push turns and pull turns that you want to learn before you start putting them together the way most of us end up flying, which is push-pull. But you want to have those separate ingredients because they work in specific places. This is a left turn.
Oh, I lost there. Oh, shit.
This is a right turn. You want me to do it down closer to the ground?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a right turn. This is a left loop. Outside turns turn away from the ground. Inside turns turn towards the ground.